Learning English can be an exciting journey, and one of the most important parts of this journey is speaking. Speaking English is not just about saying words. It is about communicating, expressing yourself, and connecting with others. When you learn to speak English, you open up a world of opportunities. You can make friends, share your ideas, and understand the world around you better. Let's explore why speaking is so important when learning English. First, speaking helps you practice what you learn. When you study English, you learn new words, grammar rules, and phrases. However, if you only read or write, you might not remember these things as well. Speaking allows you to use what you have learned in real conversations. For example, if you learn the word happy, you can practice using it in sentences like I am happy or she makes me happy. The more you speak, the more comfortable you become with the language. This practice helps you remember the words and how to use them correctly. Another reason speaking is important is that it helps you build confidence. Many students feel nervous about speaking in English, especially if it is not their first language. However, the more you practice speaking, the more confident you will become. Imagine you are in a classroom and your teacher asks a question. If you have practiced speaking, you will feel more comfortable raising your hand and answering. Confidence is key when learning a new language. When you speak, you learn to express your thoughts and feelings, which makes you feel more capable. Speaking also helps you improve your pronunciation. Pronunciation is how you say words. If you want people to understand you, it is important to pronounce words correctly. When you practice speaking, you can hear how words sound and learn to say them correctly. You can listen to native speakers, repeat after them, and practice until you feel comfortable. Good pronunciation helps you communicate more effectively. If you say a word wrong, people might not understand you, which can be frustrating. By practicing speaking, you can improve your pronunciation and make it easier for others to understand you. Moreover, speaking allows you to develop your listening skills. When you speak with others, you also need to listen to what they say. This back and forth communication helps you understand different accents, tones, and ways of speaking. Listening is just as important as speaking when learning a language. If you only focus on speaking, you might miss out on understanding what others are saying. By engaging in conversations, you can improve your listening skills and become a better communicator overall. Another important aspect of speaking is that it helps you learn new vocabulary. When you speak, you often need to find the right words to express your ideas. This encourages you to expand your vocabulary. For example, if you want to talk about your favorite movie, you might learn words like exciting, funny, or adventure. The more you speak, the more words you will learn. Speaking also helps you connect with others. Language is a tool for communication, and speaking allows you to share your thoughts and feelings with people. When you speak English, you can make friends from different backgrounds and cultures. You can share your experiences, learn about others, and build relationships. For example, if you meet someone from another country, you can talk about your favorite foods, hobbies, or traditions. These conversations can lead to friendships and a deeper understanding of different cultures. Speaking is a way to bridge the gap between people and create connections. Furthermore, speaking can enhance your learning experience. In many classrooms, teachers encourage students to participate in discussions, group work, and presentations. These activities require speaking and help you engage with the material. When you speak about a topic, you are more likely to remember it. For instance, if you are studying a book, discussing it with your classmates can help you understand the characters and themes better. Speaking allows you to share your ideas and hear different perspectives, which enriches your learning experience. Additionally, speaking is essential for real-life situations. In everyday life, you will need to speak English to communicate with others. Whether you are ordering food at a restaurant, asking for directions, or chatting with friends, speaking is a vital skill. If you want to travel to an English-speaking country, being able to speak the language will make your experience much more enjoyable. You will be able to interact with locals, understand signs, and navigate new places. Speaking English opens doors to new experiences and adventures. Moreover, speaking can help you prepare for future opportunities. Many jobs require good communication skills, and being able to speak English fluently can give you an advantage in the job market. Employers often look for candidates who can communicate effectively with clients and colleagues. If you can speak English well, you will have more job opportunities, especially in international companies. Speaking is a valuable skill that can help you succeed in your career. Another benefit of speaking is that it allows you to express your opinions and ideas. When you can speak English, you can share your thoughts on important issues, participate in discussions, and advocate for yourself and others. For example, if you are passionate about environmental issues, you can speak up and share your ideas on how to protect the planet. Speaking gives you a voice and allows you to contribute to conversations that matter to you. In addition, speaking can be a fun and enjoyable way to learn. There are many activities you can do to practice speaking, such as playing games, participating in role plays, or joining conversation clubs. These activities make learning more interactive and engaging. When you enjoy the process of learning, you are more likely to stick with it and improve your skills. Speaking can be a social experience, and having fun while learning can motivate you to keep practicing. Finally, speaking is a way to celebrate your progress. Learning a language takes time and effort, and every time you speak, you are showing how far you've come. Whether you are having a conversation with a friend or giving a presentation in class, each opportunity to speak is a chance to showcase your skills. Celebrating your achievements, no matter how small, can boost your confidence and encourage you to keep learning. In conclusion, speaking is a crucial part of learning English. It helps you practice what you learn, build confidence, improve pronunciation, develop listening skills, and expand your vocabulary. Speaking allows you to connect with others, enhance your learning experience, and prepare for real-life situations. It opens doors to new opportunities and helps you express your opinions and ideas. Speaking can be fun and enjoyable, and it allows you to celebrate your progress along the way. So, as you continue your journey of learning English, remember to practice speaking as much as you can. Embrace every opportunity to communicate, share your thoughts, and connect with others. Speaking is not just a skill, it is a powerful tool that can enrich your life and help you succeed in many ways.